today there's a brand new level of Ruby Roo. I'm so excited to play, but last time I got stuck in the game and Ruby had to help me find my way out. I'm excited to see what her new quest is, but hopefully I stay in my room this time. Wild Rapids, that sounds wet. I have a feeling this is gonna be a tough level. I hope we're prepared for it. So we've got that invisibility power-up, some Roo points too. That's good, because I think we're gonna need them. This new level looks like there's a whole lot of water involved.
What's that, Roobit? New quest. Find the pirate treasure?
A treasure hunt? That sounds amazing! Let's go get ourselves some pirate treasure, but we can't get too carried away. Ruby's gonna need a new outfit. Oh, this is perfect. Okay, we're definitely doing this one.
Hey, Roobit, what do you think? Get it? Water? Oh man, this is gonna be so much fun. A real pirate treasure hunt. I can't wait. Come on, let's go. Whoa, what's wrong, Roobit? Oh, I forgot you're afraid of water, but don't you worry. I'll be extra careful not to get you around any water. I promise. Ride away for 20 Roo points. I can do that, right? Well, I know you can ride a train, and I know you can ride a horse, but how do you ride a wave?
Riding the wave, like surfing? That's riding, isn't it? The wave is just ripples of water built up by the wind. But you can ride them like anything else. You just need a flat surface to slide across them like a board.
Could it be that simple? It'll sure be fun to try. Don't worry, Roobit. Whatever happens, I won't let you get wet. I promise.
Yes, that pirate treasure is as good as ours.
Wow, that sure was a close one.
Oh no, Ruby's out of energy. We gotta act quick. We can't lose now. We gotta do something. What's that? Roobit's trying to tell us something. Wait a minute. The rubies, but we worked so hard to earn them in previous levels. No, we can't let Ruby down now. We've got no other choices. This is what it takes to get Ruby back in the game. I'll do it.
That's right. I can finish this. I feel so much better now. I'm off to find the treasure. Come on, Roobit. Woo! Okay, what's that, Roobit? New challenge. Ride the Howling Tornado for 30 Roo points. I can do that. The treasure must be on the other side of the tornado. Let's do it.
Come on, Ruby, you're brave enough. You can do this. That was so cool. Way to go, Ruby. I wish I could have done that.
We found the treasure and got a ruby!
Woo! Way to go! We're getting good at this.
See, Roobit? Not a problem at all. What a great team we made. Huh?
Oh no! Ruby? Roobit? Are you okay? Wait, what's this? To be continued? Oh no, I guess we're gonna have to wait until next time to see Ruby and Roobit are okay. Make sure to subscribe and come back soon to the next level. I hope they're okay. Bye.